If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Roblox, follow these simple steps to optimize your experience. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause audio desync. Test your speed and consider switching to a wired connection if you're using Wi-Fi. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure you're using the latest version of Roblox. Outdated versions may have bugs that cause audio issues. Check for updates in the Roblox app or reinstall it to ensure you have the latest version. Step 3. Adjust audio settings. Go to the audio settings in Roblox and adjust the volume levels. Sometimes, lowering the volume or toggling the audio settings can help sync the audio better with the gameplay. Step 4. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using system resources. This can free up processing power and help improve the audio performance in Roblox. Step 5. Restart your device. If the issue persists, try restarting your device. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches and refresh the system, potentially resolving audio desync problems. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your Roblox audio experience. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.